Welcome class. Today we will do chapter 9, My Sweet Home. We all need a house to live in. A house protects us from heat, cold and rain. It also protects us from stray animals and thieves. It also keeps away dust, dirt and insects. So we all need a house to live in, and our house protects us from heat, cold, rain, wild animals and thieves. It also keeps us away from dust, dirt and insects. We keep our things safe in our house. We get peace and comfort in our house. Our house is a lovely, sweet home. So, it is our house which is safe. We always feel safe in our house, and also we get peace and comfort in our house. So, our house is a lovely, sweet home. Different kind of houses. In villages, people live in huts and small houses. Huts are made of bamboo, mud and straw. They are not strong. Huts are also called temporary or kacha houses. So, in villages, people live in small houses which is known as huts. And huts are made up of bamboo, mud and straw. And they are not strong as it is made of bamboo, mud and straw. So, these houses are also called kacha house or temporary house. In towns and city, people live in bungalow and multi-storied building. A multi-storied building has many independent houses called flats. Bungalow and buildings are made up of brick, cement, steel, wood and glass. So, in big cities and towns, people live in bungalow or multi-storied building, means more than two-story building. So, that houses are also known as flats. And bungalow and buildings, these are made up of brick, cement, steel, wood and glass. They are very strong and last for many years. They are also called permanent or pakka house. So bungalow and multi-storied building, these are very strong and they last for many long years. So they are called permanent house or pakka house. Now we will read about some of the special houses. Some people keep on moving from place to place. They live in special houses. So, some people they move from place to place. They don't live at exactly at one place. So, they move from place to place to live in. So, they live in a special house. First type of house is caravan. Banjaras and gypsies live in caravans. A caravan move on wheel. It can easily be taken from one place to another. So, Banjara and Gypsy, they move from one place to another and they live in caravan. A caravan is a vehicle-like house which has wheels in it and it can be easily moved from one place to another. Now we will read about houseboat. People in Kashmir live in houseboat. A houseboat floats on water. You can see houseboat in Srinagar and Kerala. So, people who live in Kashmir, they live in houseboats, and the houseboat, it can flow on water, and we can see houseboats in Srinagar and Kerala. Now we will read about tent. Soldiers and scouts live in tent. A tent is made of canvas cloth. It is easy to fold and we can carry it anywhere. So this is a picture of tent. Soldier and scouts, they live in it, and a tent is made of canvas cloth so that it can be easily folded and can carried anywhere. Now we will read igloo. The Eskimos live in igloo. An igloo is made of blocks of ice. It is found in very cold regions. The igloo remains warm from inside. So the Eskimos, they live in igloo and it is made up of ice. It is cold from outside but it is warm from inside, so people can live inside a igloo. Now we will read different parts of a house. A house has many rooms. Each room has its own use. Each room in a house has a roof on top and floor at the bottom. So a house, it consists of many rooms and each room has its own purpose, its own use. So a room is simply can be defined as a room which has a roof on top and floor at the bottom. Each room in a house has walls on all sides. A house also has many doors and windows. So each room they have walls around all sides and the house has many doors and windows. Shapes of roofs. Houses in different regions have roofs of different shapes. Now we can see that in different region houses have different roof shapes. Now let us see. House in plain area have flat roofs. They are made of concrete or stone tiles. Flat roofs reflect the sunlight and keep the houses cool. See, this is a house which has flat roof. So flat roofs are those houses which are built in plain areas, and flat roof reflect the sunlight and keep the house cool. Houses in hilly area have sloping roof. In hilly area there is heavy rainfall or snowfall. Sloping roof allow the water or snow to run off quickly. Here a picture of sloping roof house is given. Why houses in hilly area have sloping roof? Because sloping roof help the water or snow to run off quickly, as in hilly area there is heavy rainfall or snowfall. Igloo have semicircular roof. Such roof allows snow to fall off immediately. See, this is igloo. It is a semicircular roof. It has semicircular roof, so that when the snow falls on this surface, the snow will fall off immediately. It will not stay here. People who build a house. Now we will read about the peoples who help us in building our houses. Many people work hard and together to build a house. Let us meet some of them. So many people help us to make our house. Some of the people are being described below. See, this is an architect. An architect make the drawing of a house. So the work of architect is to make the plan for the house, to make the picture of the house. This is a mason. Mason builds the wall of the house. So a mason, he build a wall of the house. This is carpenter. Carpenter make doors and window. This is plumber. A plumber fixes water pipes and taps in the houses. So the work of plumber is to fix the water pipes and taps in house. Electrician. The electrician fixes wire and switches. So the electrician, it carry the electrical work. Painter. The painter paints the house, and the work of painter is to paint the house. So now let us see how an ideal house look. An ideal house. How we can make our house an ideal house. See, some of the points are given. We must keep our house clean. We should do dusting, sweeping and mopping every day. We should keep our surrounding clean. We should grow plant and tree in or around the house. An ideal house is the one where plenty of sunlight and fresh air can reach. So these are the points through which we can make our house an ideal house. So student, today our syllabus is completed. So this was the last chapter for your midterm exam. So your homework is to go through the chapters taught till now. And that's all for today. Thank you.